Welcome back to my channel. Yeah, I've been going for a little minute, but now I'm back. And today's video, we are opening the package with me. Opening the package with me. So we're going to open this package that I got, and we're going to see. I hate my stomach, y'all. We're going to see what's inside. So guys, you ain't see that, but Mama did. But anywho, but anyway, guys, stop, Mama. What I've been up to? It's a new year, guys. It's been a lot of things. A lot of things. I ain't really been up to nothing too much though. All I've been doing is working, take care of my baby, and doing me. So, inside of the package, it is Shein, of course. Sis love a good Shein. Okay, so the first one, right? Oh, I remember. Is this black? No. No. See mommy go? Oh, you like my cup? Thank you, boo boo. This cup, y'all. Hold on, let me see. These check the cookies. I got cookies on too, guys. So let me see. Let's see how this coat fit the kids. She got on a. Oh, look at that Jay. I'm making a YouTube video.
You making a music video? Oh, you making a video? Oh, my bad.
Okay, guys, I'm back. So, yeah, the first one was my jacket. This right here is my baby stuff. Because, you know, Mama can't get something without thinking about her. Oh, okay. Look at his little outfit. You flash. Mommy. Look at yours. Ooh. Oh, look at your pen. Ooh. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, here, those your pens, boo boo. Oh, wow. And then here goes this one right here, y'all. This is, for some reason, I love me a good hat now. Like, I'm into hats now. And this is my motto all year. It is what it is. Right here? Yeah. Talk to me nice, because it is what it is. Okay, I'm back. I have to go check on my cookies, too. Now, this right here, I'm excited about, because I'm going to this concert. And this goes with my sneakers I got. Ooh! I can't wait to put this on. Oh my god. I can't wait to put this on. I swear to God. It's going to be so cute on me. It's going to be so cute. Oh, I got 2 of these by accident. I'm going to have to mess around and give it to somebody. The other one to somebody. If they can fit it. But this red shirt, right? Let me tell you about this red shirt right here. I cannot wait to go outside. When I tell y'all, Kiki outside, Kiki outside. You see this? Y'all see this? Kiki outside.
Have fun.
Anywho, here go this. What is this? Oh, this is my baby's clothes, of course. We got him a nice little 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, 2, 3. You know what I'm saying? Simple. Oh, this is my chain. I got 1 thing for sure, 2 things for certain. Kiera love her jewelry. Let me show you this. Some people be like, oh, You get jewelry from Shein? Yeah, bitch. I do. I give me a nice jewelry piece from Shein. And it don't break me out. Ooh, I gotta put it together, y'all. It's a K. Because my name starts with a K. Ooh, it's gonna be nice. I could imagine it. Mama, what you think? Is that cute? Come back. So, oh, I got my baby some socks. Some little socks, because it's cold outside. Some little cute little sockies. Some cute little socks. Nothing major. Some more socks. We got some more socks. Some more socks. Oh, he got this cute outfit. Look at this. I can't wait for him to wear these stuff, man. I get so excited when my son got clothes. When I get him new clothes. It makes me so happy. I don't know why my feet hurt me. You just stepping and shit. Here we go. Here we go again. I got me some black. I got me some black. They look like they big, but oh boy. Let me try them on real quick, y'all. They fit, y'all. I just can't put them on right now with my tights and stuff. I don't want to take off my tights because my legs hurt really bad. And now my feet is hurting, which is weird. Something hit my feet. I don't know. But here goes something else I got. This shirt, when I seen it,
Did you see something?
oh my God. When I saw this shirt, y'all see it? It says it costs so $0 to be nice, to be a nice person. It costs $0 to be a nice person. Some of y'all need to know that. Oh, I got this other red shirt. I'm not opening it. Let me tell y'all something about me. Kiki love a good bag. And let me tell you. I got me a cute one. Ah! And it goes with my outfit that I'm wearing for this concert. Oh my God. Oh my. Mom, you like my bag? I can't wait to wear that bag. Okay, let's see. My feet is hurting. I don't even know why. But here go these other jeans that I got. These are jeans that I'm wearing for the concert. I'm thick, y'all. So y'all see these big ass kids? Just know it's because I'm fat. See? I'm thick down here, you know what I'm saying? After having a baby and being happy. Oh, these the pants I got, like the little ruffle things at the bottom. It's not like ruffle, but they're like the little this thing at the bottom. Mama, you saw these pants before? With the little ruffle thing? Yeah, jeans, whatever. You know what I'm talking about. You saw these before? I don't know if I should wear these to the concert or the other one. They all this one high waisted too, so I'm gonna figure it out when it's time. But I think I might wear this with the red shirt somewhere. I just don't know where. I'm gonna wear somewhere. This right here is my bag set that I had got from Shein. I got all this stuff all over the camera, my bad. Whatever. But look at my new bag. My new bag now. And it comes with a little I love bags. Like I love bags. And I don't care how much the bag is. It could be cute. I'm getting it. Look at this. It's so cute. Look at this. One thing about Kiki, I might not spend a lot, but when I put it on, it's gonna be like a lot. Cause I know how to put things together. Cute. It came with a 3-set piece. I love that. It was on sale too. I got like a little wallet thingy, a little. Yeah, that's cute. I got. I think one more. What's this one? Oh, this is my brown jacket that I'm wearing with the with that bag. Y'all saw that brown bag? Y'all gotta see the sneakers. I ain't even gonna show y'all the sneakers. I ain't even gonna show y'all the sneakers. Just know this right here. Oh my god. I gotta get, don't worry, y'all. I'm gonna get rid of all that. Look at, oh. Let me tell y'all something. When this hair gets done, because it's gonna get done. Put me some lashes. I can't wait for this concert. Oh, my bad. Oh. I can't wait. I'm gonna look like a snackadoo. Okay. Woo. Okay, guys. That's everything that was in the box. Now I gotta hang all this stuff up. But before I do, y'all want to see my cookies? I mean, get out my way. Show y'all my cookies that I made. Y'all look at these cookies real quick. Yeah, you all. So look at my cookies I made. They so cute. They so cute. They so cute. I'm gonna make a video one day of me making like cookies and cakes and stuff because I know how to do all that, even bread. One of these days, okay? So don't hold me against it. But yeah, I made some cookies. You saw me open up the box. It's just a little short, little 1, 2, 3. You know what I'm saying? Of everything. My light is bright than a motherfucker, but it's even brighter when I walk past it. But yeah. That's everything. Now I gotta hang up all this stuff. And I'm about to eat me some cookies. And I'm about to get ready to go to sleep because I got work tomorrow again. So I just wanted to check in, you guys, and show y'all a little 1, 2, 3. You know what I'm saying? Nothing too big. And like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell notification. You know, all that shit. And until next time, guys. Peace.